Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and start our live streaming for today. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is for educational purposes only. We're not financial advisor, and nothing shared here should be taken as financial advice. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss the market. We got VTYX, one of the stocks that we keep watching. We got many stocks to discuss for today. George, mRNA for me. I will check it for you, of course. We got Lizzie, good morning. SCNX for sure. Welcome everybody, wherever you are, welcome. Yeah, VTYX possible 9, 10. Yeah, possible 9, 11, not 10. Now have visited a major resistance around the 830. Looking great at the market open. As long as we hold the first support around the 690 will be great to move up at the market open. We got other levels to watch around the 498. Yeah, VTYX, one of the tops, and then AREB from yesterday, pulling back for another jump up. SLMT 41%, looking great here. Rani is pulling back down. It might be good at the market open. Beyond Meat 19% down. First time for a pulling back down. IBM have the earning yesterday. Pulling back for a new support around the 257. QuantumScape did a really great job, but now it's pulling back down toward the support. Had a great earning as well. QuantumScape got visited by a major seller around the $16. We pulled back down. T-Mobile, I don't like it for now. It pulled back. Tesla have earnings yesterday, didn't break our current resistance around the 450. And we got bad earnings for Tesla. So, first of all, let us check the stocks that were requested from us. SMCI, Martin Apollo, unicorn squeezing. I don't think so. You SMCI, no, squeezing down. Yesterday it broke the support, brother. Yeah, it broke the support here. Tested the major support for SMCI. Yeah, it's squeezing down, but yeah, there's a big buyer around the 44. So this is a good indication for a big buyer, even though the market was a big red yesterday. NEO, the only one is in green, guys. Interesting levels. mRNA, guys, or George, I think you asked me about this. I talked about it in the pre-market. Let me just check here. Yeah, already tested the major dip here. So it will be good for the 25.20. If we held, yes, we might start to reverse the 25, yes. And the current resistance is just around the 26. So watch out for the 25.20 and 26.6, because if we want to reverse, we have to break the resistance. If we not, is me breaking the 25, it's better to wait. Okay. SCNX, SCNX, ONF, the stock been requested from us yesterday, 10%, today 47%. Okay, this one is a hidden unicorn. I didn't see it. Yeah, it got shorted now around $1, almost the $1. Yes, thank you for bringing this to us, man. I didn't see this one. It was hiding in the desert. SCNX, great find, brother. Who brought SCNX? I think Gustavo. Yes, Gustavo, one of the drug dealer in Breaking Bad, I think. Gustavo, one of the drug dealer. Gustavo, I think you are from South America, just from your name. I might be wrong, but yeah, great find, Gustavo. Really great find, SNX. Have a resistant and psychological level to break around the $1, brother. If we broke, we're gonna have the 113, but now we have the 72 as a support. Let me just check the main list here. We got SMX and IMCC. SMX and IMCC. SMX, I think reverse split, I will pass on this one. IMCC, yes, might be interesting to watch. I'm saying to watch because, yes, it just came right now. I don't trust it that much. And it's been in the bearish momentum since the earnings in May. So it is heavily shorted. That's why I don't trust it that much. But I think we got some news for it. Yes, it's kind of a stock. So they actually acquire 60% stake in the quantum compute and biodata. Interesting. Huge news. So the news is good. I'm gonna keep IMCC here on the list, but I keep SCNX because about to break the $1 psychological barrier. We got VTYX, one of the top gainers, I think, for today. Keeping it on the list. If it held the 60 of 84 will be great to retest the 840. AREB the same, have to break the $3.15 to squeeze toward the $3.50. And we have a big buyer over the 246. That's why we kept it on the list. SLMT is 50% up, but have a huge double top around the 1670. Bump and dump for this stock, so that's why I don't like it that much. Pretty volatile. Beyond meat, some of you asking about the main resistance. We got one around the $3.66. We got interesting resistance. And the first resistance, for my opinion, it is just around this white line. So yeah, Beyond Meat, 19% down. So today could be tricky because today we need to break this ascending channel to go up. So I'm gonna lower the resistance for it around the $3.31. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the resistance because the other one is a bit far. We have done the $3.66, $4.18, and the 477. So yeah, now now Beyond Meat looking interesting for a reversal here from this wedge. $3.31 will be the signal, guys. Beyond Meat, everybody watching Beyond Meat now. It is kind of the new AMC or the new GameStop stock. The same for GSIT, but gonna keep it on the waiting list. So yeah, those the top three guys. SLMT might be, but AREB, VTYX, and SCNX are the one to watch now, especially SCNX. I'm gonna adjust the support for it. Just here, I'm gonna add another support because the 71 cent is a bit far. I'm gonna adjust another support here around the 85. And check your questions. Korean hunters, what do you mean about this? I think we have a new brother here from Korea, I think, yes. Hopefully from South Korea, not North Korea. I don't know if North Korea have internet. I heard some news that North Korea they don't have internet connection or something like this. South South rocks. Always the South always rocks. Even here in the France, South of France is the best. But yeah, Korea, man, keep up. My favorite kind of song is kind of kawaii, kind of cute, the cutest song ever. The colors, the videos, the cultures, everything is good in Korea. Before I like Japan, but the music is really great, Korea. I need to visit South Korea, man. Really, on my list. Anyway, we have 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. A lot of you asking about. Hopefully, this is good, brother. Santush SGBX is not on my list because it's pulling back a lot. Watch out for the 272 for SGBX, brother. Beyond Meat, many of you asking about Beyond Meat. We have this huge wedge, guys, for a breakout. Beyond Meat, as we discussed for yesterday video and our chart, we said the support reversal is the 247. And if you're not one of our members on Discord, guys, remember we always do update daily. Beyond Meat, we said this support, you see, it was halted around the $3.11, and we said the 249 is the support reversal. After the unhalting, we reverse over this support, and it was really great trade for our hunters. Again, the link to our Discord and Bitcoin, I will just put it down below if you want to join. For of course updates, daily update, and second by second update for mini stocks, not just for Beyond Meat, but any opportunity for a stock, we see it first in the pre-market. I just put the link to our Patreon, which will direct you to our Discord, where the alert for our stock we do daily there. Anyway, so let's get right to it. The market is open, guys. We got lift off for Beyond Meat. We have a reversal, kind of breaking from this wedge. There is a major resistance right now around the $3.33. This is the level that will confirm Beyond Meat will squeeze up. If we don't break this level, we're gonna retest the 247 and might go toward the 180 if we flush and continue this red market for Beyond Meat. But this is will be the best 180, the best dip for Beyond Meat. We got open still going strong, nearly the resistant. IMCC, we got humongous sell-off. So IMCC is not good, guys. Watch out, is not good anymore. Ronnie flushing down from yesterday. So going back to the main, SCNX didn't break out from the $1. VTYX didn't break from the $8.40. REB the same, didn't break. We have a sideways market. Beyond Meat's pulling back a bit. Yes, is not ready yet. So I'm gonna put lowering the resistance around the $3, guys. $3.15. It is a current resistance now. $3.15. Watch out. Let's see what's cooking in the market. Top gainer, VTYX, SCNX, SLMT. We have to be patient because we don't have any stock jumping up currently. IBM is pulling back. KMX pulling back as well. Tesla pulling back 4%. QuantumScape is kind of breaking the support here. I'm gonna lower the support around the 1381. It was really great yesterday, but now nope. APLD have a huge, humongous pullback yesterday. SMCI the same. Plug found a bit of support around the 277. Crypto started to reverse a bit. Going back to the main list for today, we only have a few stocks here. Beyond Meat, guys, is still didn't break our resistance. You see, we have a bit of fake out from this wedge, so we're not ready yet. I think we got some news. Vector, yes, a lot of Redditors talking about. Let me just go. Oh, yeah, everybody talking about this one. Yeah, history is repeating itself. Everybody remember 6 times one day, 60% drop. So everybody actually talking about the haltation yesterday after we dipped down as make the market shake. Everybody talking about it. Yeah, some said suddenly being dumped or being pumped. So yeah, a lot of traders talking about this, especially here. Let me just go on this website, which give us a bit of insight about what's going behind. Where is yeah, this one. As you can see here, Beyond Meat, 61,000% upvote. This is madness, guys. Look at that, 61,000%. Yeah. So number one, guys, for subreddit upvoting and mentioned almost 3,000 times, and Wall Street, but the same. Beyond Meat is number one. Beyond Meat is number one right now stock. If in any list you can see, of course, Beyond Meat. Let me just go on here, going there. You see, I think the most mentioned time it was on the 20 seconds or yesterday when it dumped down, everybody talking about it. And here as well, we have a huge spike, a lot of traders talking about it. Um, anyway, so yeah, Beyond Meat, we don't have a big seller yet. It's holding, so there's some fighting from the buyers, I think. Whoa, AREB guys, we have an humongous jump. Tested the profit taken around the $3. It went down. We already discussed AREB today on our watch list, guys. We said $3.43 is the resistance profit taken and $4.18. And see what happened here. We hit the $3.50, $3.43, yes. So we hit over the $3.40, which is the resistance profit taken, and we pulled back right away. As you can see here, $3.55, and the price pulled back really quick, or around the $3.49 because this is the spike. So AREB did the really great job right at the market open, but it pulled back now. Okay, so you see, we got a bit of weak market for GSIT, IMCC, YYAI got jumped down 40%, RBNE from yesterday. QUBT is filling the gap. Yeah, this one was 10% in the pre-market. BENF 35% down. So you see the trend, guys. Many stocks pump and then dump down. Didn't most of them can't hold the gains. So this is the dangers in the market. You should know when to exit. Guys, Beyond Meat has started to move. Beyond Meat is starting to move right now. I'm gonna put it first because it might get halted after breaking the $3.15. Watch out, Beyond Meat, guys. It is doing something crazy, which is about to break the levels right now. Beyond Meat. Yeah, looking great. It's getting near the breakout, guys. Beyond Meat breakout, major breakout. You see, this is a test now for the resistance around the $3.15. If we broke it, we're gonna have a new level and profit taken around the $3.40. SCNX didn't break the $1. AREB, yes, hit the profit taken and went down. And KMX pulling back. Tesla have earnings yesterday, guys. Bad earnings, that's why we're pulling back. IBM the same, QuantumScape the same. Going back to the main list here, yeah, the market is a bit in red, especially crypto stocks pulling back down. I think it's the quiet before the storm, guys. Beyond Meat is preparing for a breakout, guys, here. Yes, breaking the level $3.15. Nice, $3.17. We kind of have a breakout. Let's see if we're gonna have a confirmed breakout. And to confirm that, we need to hold over the $3 right now. Even if we pull back now, we should hold at the $3. And adjusting the resistance right now around, and profit taken, of course, around $3.42. Beyond Meat, guys, is the one to watch for today, for my opinion. It might get halted up. This is would be the best case scenario, is halting up for Beyond Meat. Let's see. We might have green to from red to green. If we broke the $3.46, guys, we might go in green side. Is plausible situation. Yeah, Beyond Meat, it is back, man. We already discussed it yesterday, guys. The best entry for Beyond Meat was on our unicorn hunt yesterday. Once the price got halted down, we did this chart before even the video that we did on YouTube. We did this chart for our hunters. We said the 249 is the resistance or the support to reverse from. And you see what's happened. We went until the 252 and we reverse. And now it's going toward our profit taken. First level that we're gonna test, or the target, guys, I'm gonna lower it a bit just in case, around the $3.40, guys. This is a major level of resistance. It's back to pull back again here. A huge pullback. It might come for Beyond Meat. After that, we have the $3.67, and then we might go toward $4. Yes, psychological level. Those the first psychological level for Beyond Meat to test. I'm not talking about yet tomorrow. I'm talking about today. Beyond Meat, 60,000%. This is 60,000 upvote. This is remind us by GameStop. Yes, GameStop action, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because we always go live every day to discuss many stocks 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, before that, as you can see here on the live chat section, we always do update in the pre-market, and after every after session that we finish here on the live streaming, we always update on Discord. Holy baloney, Discord. Yo, guys, this one is going. Yeah, Beyond Meat looking fantastic here. Beyond Meat looking fantastic, everybody. Think we got some sellers is coming up here around almost, yeah, the $3.79. This is will be a huge seller place to watch out for Beyond Meat. Yeah, there's gap. I think there is no gap to fill for Beyond Meat for now. What a day, man. What a day. Yeah, Beyond Meat tested our resistance right now around the $3.41. Time for a pullback, guys. $3.41 time for a pullback for Beyond Meat, right around the $3.41. We hit the $3.46. So this is normal that we might have a pullback here, guys. This is completely normal. So it's better to take a bit of profit here before a major pullback. And then watch out for another entry if we broke the $3.41. Safety first. Now we got a pullback. Look at that. Once we pull back, guys, I want to confirm one thing, which is holding this current support over the $3. Why? Because if we pull back and there's a still big buyer, we should have a bounce. Because stocks like this, heavily shorted and huge pullback yesterday, we might continue to go down if we broke the tree. But if we held the tree, it means we continue the squeeze up. Always have an exit strategy, guys. If you just enter without thinking about exit, you're gonna be trapped. SCNX looking great, guys. We might break the $1 here because we have triple top around the $1. VTYX is a bit weaker side, but yeah, we're gonna keep it on the list because it's really strong. The top gainer for now, 84%. And AREB, one of the top stocks that hit the resistance around $3.55. So I'm gonna keep it as well on the list. Those the main unicorn, guys, for today. Tesla, IBM went down because of bad earnings. If you don't know, everybody, if you don't know, we got huge earnings call yesterday and today as well. I think we got earning call for today. We're gonna update those earnings stocks later on, guys, on our Discord. What else we got here? Martin Apollo. Wait a second, man. We didn't break the $3.41 yet, man. So now we're pulling back. Once we break, we're gonna update the level. Victor asked about if Beyond Meat is number one for hold. It is, in a way, it reminds me of many stock that actually squeeze many times. But it's high risk, high reward, brother. And this is the first pullback, so there's still, I think, a chance for another squeeze because this is the first pullback after 1000%. So yeah, it was the best entry actually yesterday around this dip after the halting. Two dips, it was really great. Yesterday and after hours yesterday. Two dips. And we discussed this dip yesterday on our Discord. So you have to be really quick, guys, for buying the right dip, because if you wait a lot, you miss this kind of really good reversal dip. Now we're ready reverse from the dip. That's why we're pulling back again, because we are a bit weaker. You see, after hitting the $3.41, we're pulling back a lot now. It's predictable. Is kind of predictable. So kind of Beyond Meats, it could give us a lot of action for the rest of this year. Volume too low. You mean volume too low for comparing to yesterday, yes, and the day before, 1 billion before, and now it's 100 million. But 100 million compared to other stocks is a lot, man. But comparing to Beyond Meat to the other days, yes, is low. I agree with you. Okay, finally we got some action, guys. Finally we got some action because the market usually, to give us another new stock like AMC or GameStop, it take a lot of factors, because we got every day some stock jumping 1000%, and they're not kind of you can put them below or behind AMC or GameStop. So because you need a lot of factors to make the stock have the meme name, you know? There's a lot of factors: volume, volatility, news, people liking the name. There's a lot of things you can even explain. So Beyond Meat actually fit to the criteria of the squeezer or meme stock. That's why a lot of people are interested and excited to find another stock. But the trick is, guys, the trick is to have to be extremely careful, because everybody knows that the stock will go eventually down big time, but you don't know when. The trick is to not be FOMO and have a strategy. Because if you just buy blindly, you're gonna be stuck on the top like many traders who traded AMC and GameStop. Then you're gonna be like really angry and bitter if the price go down, and then you're gonna check the news every day. You can't sleep. This is not trading, guys. Trading is having a strategy and stick to it. Beyond Meat testing the $3 right now, guys. So it is critical zone for my opinion right now. We should have a wick here over the $3 if we want to have a reversal. So I'm gonna keep watching Beyond Meat. Now I'm switching to SCNX, guys. SCNX and AREB are the top two stocks to watch and trade, for my opinion. The SCNX especially because it's nearing the $1 psychological level, for my opinion. SCNX. Switching to SCNX, everybody. Yeah, SCNX looking fantastic here. Beyond Meat, no good here, guys, no good. AREB, nearing the breakout zone. So AREB looking fantastic, for my opinion, because it reversed here from the $3 and trying to go higher. SCNX, the same. Beyond Meat, still currently holding the $3. So it's not bad completely. Let me just check the other stocks here. Edge J or GSIT, take it from the list, no good. SLMT, the same, no good. Ronnie, not good for today at least. This one was the top gainer before. YYAI. Okay. This one I'm gonna lower the resistance here. Yeah, not completely bad for YYAI. SGBX got shorted around 360. Irie, no, this one, no, donut, DFLI. Anyway, so we only have those stocks. SCNX is preparing to a break from the $1, so I'm gonna keep it on the list. Beyond Meat is getting weaker here. Let me just check the top gainers and then the stock that been halted. VCIG, I think, have a reverse split and doing fantastic. Yes, it's doing fantastic. Let me check this one. This is GTX. No. Okay, so we only have one VCIG. It might be great to add it to the list, to the roster. Yeah, VCIG might be great for today. However, already tested the major resistance. I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. Yes, if we broke the level, I might add it to the list. But now, yeah, not bad. I will keep it on the list. SCNX, guys, going back to SCNX because looking ready for a breakout here. I'm gonna add support just in case if we pull back just around 83. Yeah, watch out, guys. SCNX breaking out. SCNX left off toward the 113. Yes, SCNX is the one to watch, the only one to watch right now. Hallelujah. SCNX going toward the 113. SCNX going toward the 113, everybody. I think it's good to take a little bit of profit here. Yeah, 113, 107 right now. Yes, it's coming. We have 10% on this trade. I think it's better to take profit right now, guys, because I expect a huge resistance around the 113. Yeah, 106, 107. I think it's good to take a little bit profit here. Yes. Yeah, it's pulling back now. Anyway, so yeah, SCNX, we snatch a bit of profit here, guys. It looked really great. We were waiting for this breakout. So we have a bit of resistance around the $1.11, but it's still looking great if we held the 83. REB is pulled back down. Yes, have a chance to reverse. Beyond meat, I don't trust the support that much, so I'm gonna take the support from the equation and just watch out for retest and breakout from the $3.41 for a re-entry, because the $3.41, it is strong resistant. VCIG pulling back. SCNX pulling back down as well. Let us check the stock that been halted for today. We got TNGX, LAWR. Let's check those two. TNGX. Nope. I think it's got halted down, flushed down big time. BAS, LAWR, LAWR. Let's check this one out. No, is dead. So yeah, coming back to ARAB. You see, guys, SCNX was better to take profit below the $1.11 because now it's pulling back. So the main resistance now is $1.07. $1.07. ARAB didn't break the resistance. Beyond Meat started to coiling back up. VCIG, yes, is not good now. It's pulling back a lot. Yeah, it's pulling back a lot. Look at that. I don't like it. So yeah, still SCNX and AREB, Beyond Meat, and VTYX are the top four stocks for today. The rest is history. We got a requested stock here. Chart on RGTI. RGTI Eat Rice. Shout out to Eat Rice, one of our elite members. Thank you for the support, brother, and being a member for over a year or 2 years, I think. Thank you for being a member and supporter. Thank you, brother. Shout out to Eat Rice. RGTI, let's check RGTI and what's going on with this stock. First of all, we got yeah, 34% here or 8%. We have a huge gap for this one, man. We have a huge gap. The reason is because it already did a huge jump around the 33. Okay, so we got a really good, nice bottom here. We might pull back to. So I'm gonna highlight the two bottom here and highlight the resistance. We kind of have a psychological level just below the $50. So yeah, the 49, it is prominent resistance that will change everything if we broke it. Otherwise, I will watch for a huge dip because it is, yeah, it did a huge jump lately after the earnings. So yeah, we got earnings coming up, I think, in November. If we have bad earnings, I will watch for the two dips here around the 24 and the 14, but it's a bit far. But those are the strongest support I can see in a big picture. But the most important support that we should hold, it is around the 34. And the other support, if we dip, I will watch for the 26. Yes, 26. I'm gonna lower. The other one is around the 18. So if we have bad earnings, we expect breaking the 34 and go to the 26, 32. Really good load up zone here, and the 1867. If you don't want to miss this dip, start buying the dip from here, brother. Around 29 and 26 would be a really great dip. This is a discount price because we might reverse before. Let me just check how much we could dip if we went down. Yeah, 25%, 35%, the best dip ever. If we held the 34, I expect a reversal. And the reversal should start here from that level around the 43. Yes. 43 should be a signal that we have a really great earnings, and this will give us a nice jump up toward the 49. This is the best I can show you, brother, in the smaller picture and the big picture for RGTI. But yeah, it looked really great and strong and on the big side for this one. Hopefully you check RGTI, eat rice. If you're watching the live streaming, let me know. Otherwise, I will send the chart right now for you. Anyway, so SCNX currently, yes, is holding. AREB, nothing much. Beyond Meat, nothing much. Open, nothing much. Let's go back here. Yes. This is it for now, guys. We're gonna do major update. Chart. I will just do the chart. Okay, RGTI. I will check here. RGTI. We're gonna do the chart and then check the last time your question, guys. Then I'll have to call it for today. I'm gonna do update later on, guys. So make sure to tune in on our Discord and Bitcoin because we're gonna do a huge update for you. For now, RGTI action. And I think, yeah, this is the by far the best thing. Resistance here and profit for RGTI around 43.27, and the bottom or the entry zone, if we pull back, from my opinion, start from the 29 and the 26.32. Yeah, really good dip here. Voila. We have another question here. You can see your green line. Can you make them thicker? Okay, already thicker, brother. Already thicker here. The line are thicker. Guys, can you see the line for me here on the chart? I think the chart looking great here. We got William SBEV looking great, going up. Weeble is dead now, man. SBEV, I think we already covered it. Okay. Someone said he sold Beyond Meat and went to another stock, D Wave. Let us check D Wave. Is it the ticker symbol D Wave or the name of the stock? Please, guys, just put the ticker symbol, not the name of the stock, to make it easier for me to copy paste the name. And Irie. I think we already covered Irie before. It is quantum computing. QBTS, ticker for DWAV. I will double check it right now. If it's, you see, it's not there, man. It's not there. SPEV. The only one is right is SPEV. Yeah, IRI, I think, is on the other list. Anyway, SPEV, not my cup of tea, brother. It's dead. for now is dead. Have a support around the $2, current resistance 290, but I don't like the short that much. But watch out for the 290, because if we broke it this time would be great for indication for a big buyer. For IRI is way better than SPEV because it's still volatile, 10 million worth of volume. Yes, we have a support around the 64. Current resistance is just around the 87. And the other level that we might go to if we broke this resistance is around the $1.03 and the 128. But yeah, looking great for reversal because they're already flushed from the $1 until the 50, flushed down big time yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list because look great. But SCNX, AREB, Beyond Meat, guys, and VTYX, I'm gonna update the level for them later on here on our Discord, guys, on Unicorn Hunt, the precise entry and exit, like what we did yesterday for Beyond Meat. Once the stock halted down and we have an opportunity to buy a pretty nice dip. The link in the comment section below and the live chat section, guys, if you want to join our Discord for short like those to warn you about a dip or a breakout. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you as well at the same time tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe. This is the least you can do, guys, to support the channel and spread the knowledge away. This is what we do, and that's what we should actually try for, is spreading the knowledge and help each other out. Thank you, guys, and see you all by tomorrow, Friday, to discuss the market and trading together. Thank you.